Stop working hard. Start working smart. Build real income. Let me ask you something honest. Are you tired of working long hours, sacrificing sleep, saying, "I'm busy all the time," but your bank account still looks the same? You wake up early, you work late. You give your energy, your youth, your life, yet freedom feels farther than ever. Here's the truth no one tells you. Hard work alone does not create wealth. If hard work made people rich, construction workers, farmers, drivers, and factory workers would be millionaires. But they're not. Because in today's world, hard work without strategy is slavery. If you want real income, real growth, real freedom, you must stop working hard and start working smart. Stay with me. This video can change how you earn forever. From childhood, they lied to us. Work hard and you'll succeed. Just keep grinding. Put your head down and hustle. Nobody explained how money actually works. Hard work trades time for money. And time is limited. You have 24 hours a day, limited energy, one body, one life. You cannot multiply time. So if your income depends on how many hours you work, how tired you are, how present you must be, then you are capped. No matter how hard you work, you hit a ceiling. That's why smart people don't ask, "How hard can I work?" They ask, "How can my work pay me again and again?" Let's be clear. Hard work is effort, discipline, consistency. And yes, you still need it. But smart work decides where that effort goes. Smart work is about leverage, systems, skills, assets. Hard workers push the cart. Smart workers build the machine. Hard workers get paid once. Smart workers get paid multiple times. Hard workers chase money. Smart workers attract money. If you want income growth, you must stop asking, "What job can I do?" and start asking, "What skill, system, or asset can I build?" Money doesn't chase effort. Money chases value. High-income people aren't lucky. They are useful at scale. Skills that create income today. Digital skills. Sales and communication. Content creation. Marketing. AI and automation. Problem-solving skills. Here's the secret. Skills pay more than jobs. A job pays you what they decide. A skill pays you what the market decides. One skill can get you clients, get you remote work, get you global income instead of saying, "I don't have money." Say, "I'm building a skill that prints money." And yes, learning feels slow at first, but struggle now or struggle forever. Poor mindset says, "Pay me for my hours." Rich mindset says, "Pay me for the result." Time is cheap. Results are expensive. If you clean for 8 hours, you get paid once. If you solve a problem, you get paid big. Smart income comes from solving pain, saving time, increasing profits, removing problems. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Who needs this solution? How can I deliver it faster or better? Income grows when impact grows. Stop being busy. Start being valuable. Here's where smart work becomes powerful. Systems work when you sleep. A system can be a YouTube channel, an online service, a digital product, a page that sells, a process that repeats. You build once. It pays again and again. At first, no views, no sales, no results. But smart people don't quit early. They understand. Systems compound. Hard workers stop when tired. Smart workers build things that don't get tired. Real income is not made overnight, but it is made intentionally. Smart people think in years, not days. They ask, where will this lead? Will this grow? Will this still pay me next year? Do something small daily. Learn. Build. Post. Improve. One smart move per day beats 10 years of blind hard work. Listen to me carefully. You're not lazy. You're misdirected. You don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter. Build skills. Build systems. Build value. Your income will follow. And remember this line: busy people survive. Smart people build freedom. If this message opened your eyes, don't ignore it. Subscribe to this channel because we don't motivate dreams. We build income reality. Like this video so more people wake up. Comment: I choose smart work. Your earning journey starts now, not tomorrow, not next year, now.